Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix keyboard input lag in games on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type settings. Click on open it. Select accessibility. On right side you just need to scroll down and select keyboard. In here you just need to make sure to turn off the filter keys guys. You just need to turn it off. After turning off, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the same solution guys. Go to search menu and type keyboard. Comes up keyboard control panel. Click on open it. You need to copy my settings right over here. Just drag and keep it same as my settings guys. Repeat delay, repeat rate and cursor blink rate. After selecting it, select apply and OK for save changes. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the third solution guys. Go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Copy and paste it. Tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it in. Press enter. After getting 100% done, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the fourth solution guys. Go to search menu and type device manager, click on open it. Expand the keyboard section and right click on your keyboard and select update driver. Select search automatically for drivers. Select search for updated drivers on Windows Update, click on it. If you have any pending update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date guys. After doing this, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.